Okay, ladies, so I'm going to start off with my unbox. I'm going to open right here with you. I ordered some new Lashify products. You guys, most of you are already familiar with Lashify if you're watching this. People get really overwhelmed with the price of Lashify, which I completely understand because I felt the same way. But here's the little tip that you guys can know. You don't need to start Lashify and buy absolutely everything right away. I love all things glam. I love all things beauty. So just a little tip. Don't get so overwhelmed with all the stuff that they have on the site. They have wonderful, beautiful products. So just add to your collection a little bit at a time. Keep it fun, keep it light. Do not get overwhelmed with all the prices. I did at first, but I can assure you their stuff is all beautiful. It's all top of the line. So I'm going to unbox with you guys. I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff that I got in this order. I got the Melt Away this time because here's the reason why I ordered Melt Away. There's a lot of way to take lashes off. But you guys, the thing that you'll like about the Melt Away, and a good candidate for a Melt Away is someone that doesn't take a shower every single day. I bathe every single day, but I do not like shower all of this and restart every single day. I go in and I wash my face. You know, I have lashes on, so it's not like I'm having this shower like pour over me every single day. So I really needed to invest in the Melt Away because I do not want to sit. I want to really get those lashes off without taking like this massive shower, because you guys, I got to keep this looking good. So I can't be taking, you know, full blown you know, water on this hair and on these eyelashes every day. Okay, so unboxing next. I am going to be trying with you guys today on my demonstration. I'm going to be doing the bondage with charcoal. So this is considered for Lashify an advanced product. So the product that I started off with was the Whisper Light Flexible Bond. Fantastic bond. It is a great starter bond. I'm hoping to get 7 days out of my lashes, so I did advance up to this. A lot of girls get 7 days out of this. I personally haven't yet, so I wanted to invest in a higher bondage. So that's what I got this time, and I'm excited to try it because I'm going to do it on this video with you guys. The last thing I'm unboxing is I got a new lash set. I'm doing a new kind, and it's called the I'm going to show you guys. So it's the EE.12s. These are new for me. I needed a little extra just from the curls, you guys. So they're C's, and that's what I had been ordering. I started with the 10C. Next order, I moved up to the 12C. I really liked those, but I still, when I was taking my pictures and when I was looking in the mirror, I was just like, I need just a little bit more. So I went to the Lashify Facebook group, which I recommend you checking out if you're on the fence about starting the lashes. And the girls said the next best things were the E's. So I got the E12s. I'm going to kind of show you guys these. They're super curly. They're a little extra. So let's go ahead and put these on together, ladies. Okay, so my eyes are primed and ready to go, you guys. They're clean as a whistle. And I'm going to be starting with the glue. This is a new glue for me. So I'm walking you guys through a new process right along with me. This glue has the wand also. So it's going to be interesting for me to see the difference. Like I said, this one is called Bondage with Charcoal. So one of the reasons why I ended up buying this is one of the things that they had talked about on there was that the bondage with charcoal absorbs some of the moisture. You guys, I'm a contact wearer, so I struggle with basically once I take my contacts out, I create a lot of moisture in my eye. It's just kind of re-moisturizing. So hopefully some of this charcoal will absorb. So I'm going to go ahead and apply, and I do like to apply both eyes so it can kind of get a stick to it. So when I go in to apply my lashes, there's a little bit of stick to it. You don't want your adhesive to be too wet because otherwise the lash won't stick. So I'm going to look in here while I do this and share with you guys. So I'm going to go in with my little eyelash curler. This just makes it easier because my eyelashes grow down, you guys. So if your eyelashes grow in a weird direction, I recommend that you curl them before you add your glue. So I'm gonna go in and just curl. It just kind of pulls them up a little bit so you could see that water line a little bit better on your lashes. So I'm curling this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this. This is a new product for me too, you guys. So I'm walking you through all of this with me. Okay. So I'm gonna go on and I'm just going to apply it just like mascara. From all the Lashify videos I've seen, one of their top recommendations is not to over apply bondage. She said that that's one place that a lot of people are going wrong, is they're over applying. So I try to just go in and really do one good application of the bondage. I apply, and then I'm done. Okay, ladies, so I finally got this cartridge off here, and I got my bond on, so I'm gonna go in. I personally do a little tinge of glue on the gossamer, like this. And then I'm gonna go in, and I start at the outer. I'm gonna lift up my arm, go right here, and just, it grabs right on. Wonderful bond, beautiful bond. And I'm gonna go in and pinch, which she claims is the most important part, is to go in and fuse right away, okay? So we got that on. I'm gonna grab with my next tweeze. I'm just gonna put a little bond on the actual lash. It's just something I do. You guys join the Lashify Facebook group because there's tons of hacks. There's ladies that do all different kinds of styles. I'm gonna line that up right next to that one. She said to try with that first set to make sure that your lash is not overlapping for that first set, because you can stack these, but she's like, you want a really clean line down there. So I'm gonna go in and fuse right now. Fuse. Oh, ladies, these E's are super, you guys, these E's are gorgeous. You'll love the E's, you guys. If you've ever started with the C's, I am a stay-at-home mom. I was a stylist behind the chair for 13 years. I'm at home right now with 4 of my kids. So I love beauty. I love glam. So make sure you hit subscribe. You guys will love my other stuff too. So I like to look really put together even when I'm at home all the time. That's just my preference. So I wanted to start with the C's because I didn't want to look like I was going to the club, okay? And I like I said, I wanted to look put together every day. I'm gonna go fuse that. Okay, so the E's are super gorgeous. Look at that curl. You guys, they're the extra I was looking for. I love the E's. We're gonna see how this new, I'm gonna fuse. That's what she recommends to keep doing, is to keep fusing. Okay, and I'm gonna do one more, guys, so you guys can see, and I'm just gonna add one more. There's so many lashes now available with Lashify, you guys. You can just find your style. Like I said, I would not get overwhelmed with their site, and you know, they have a lot of really great products, and most people's apprehension to Lashify is the same as mine, where it's like, oh my gosh, this is expensive and to start out with because she has so many great products. But I am kind of one of those people that's always like, you know what, just take it a little at a time and see if you can even get the product to work. And I have other videos on at-home eyelash extension kits. So please hit subscribe, check out my other eyelash videos. I'm the eyelash queen. I'm gonna go in, just lay it right next to that one. And then I'm gonna go in and fuse. So what a lot of other ladies would do is they would go in and put, like a 10 in this corner right here, just so it tapers in kind of nice. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna have to go through my collection and see, but I just wanted to show you guys this from far away. You guys can see the one that's done, the one that's not, and I get to wake up like this. Like, that's the best news of it all, is I want to wake up like this. That's why I love at-home eyelash extensions, is because I want to wake up and look like that. I'm just gonna kind of review with you guys right quick on here. I just got this side done. It's absolutely beautiful. The E's are perfect for me. I'm gonna have to order a 10 just for that corner right there to I don't have any extra lashes on me right now to do it, but that's why a lot of the ladies, they build their collection up. They get several different ones for different looks. So I will go ahead and put a 10 right here. I'm gonna go in and do this other side, but I just wanted to give you guys, this has a really harsh curl, which I need. And this has the extra, so they're a thicker lash and they are a little bit more expensive than some of the other ones, so keep that in mind. You guys can see me close up. Look at the anti-aging of an eyelash. I mean, you want an instant facelift, then you get some eyelashes on, girlfriend, because look at the difference. I'm gonna be 36 in September, so yeah, beautiful. So I just got that little corner on, and I'm gonna go in and fuse. She said fusing is the most important thing, that you fuse while you apply. So that's the finished look, ladies. These are the E's. I absolutely love them. So for next order, I'm gonna be putting in my E's, and these are the E12s. I'm gonna get some 10s for right here on that little corner, and I'll be letting you guys know about the remover, and I'll let you know about the level up bondage. Make sure to be sealing every single night, because I guess that's one of the tricks with Lashify. You guys, if you loved this video, if it helped you in any way, make sure you click subscribe, because I love helping you guys out in this way.